Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Indaba is you guys. These news are extremely shocking. So recently, kuthiwa kaMseleku kwakungene an intruder, and this intruder njengoba ingenile yayifuna uMseleku ikwatile imemeza ithi uphi umusa Mseleku, and this intruder thought umusa was at Mayeni's house. That's when Umpumelelo aphuma and he executed the person's life. And it is alleged that the person is actually a neighbor of Ugel, wife number 5 kaMusa Mseleku. It's either a neighbor or ikinza or ex Samke Kwela. Because the way he was shouting, amemeza afuna umusa Mseleku. And by the way, Usbindi had a security company, so he was covered ngama chuf. So as soon as he saw the guy aphethe something esandleni, he quickly chuf the guy, and the guy executed with 4 shots on the body. So people are uploading Mpumelelo Mseleku for what he did. Ukuseva ubabakhe, ukuseva ifamily yakhe, to protect his family even at all costs. But he allegedly the guy njengoba bekafuna uMusa Mseleku was at Maceli's house, and the guy thought umusa ulele kaMayeni. That's why angene kaMayeni ajumpe ifence thinking umusa ukaMayeni. And mind you, khona abantwana laphayana, this guy could have done a lot of things. We don't know what was his plan. We don't know ukuthi uthunyelwe. We don't know ukuthi ukwatele ukuthi umusa maybe allegedly ujola ne ex yakhe or whatever may be the reason. But khona abantwana laphayana. Mpumelelo made sure, and we don't condone such things, but as long as self-defense, he didn't go out there ayodubula abantu. He was self-defending ifamily yakhe and also ubabakhe and also him, because lo muntu lo bayangayenza nanoma yini njengoba aphethe uchuf. Guys, so many people bayazibuza ukuthi how does uMayeni feel, because recently she complained about the poisoning of one of her child, which is Umnini, and now so kwenzakala lezi zinto lezi, and ngapha uyagowa umusa uyamgowisa. Guys, it's a lot for Umayeni. It's a lot. And manje umntanakhe sekajufjufe umuntu, and it is alleged ukuthi he was taken to questioning by amaphoyisa. Guys, let us hope Mshamiyazi ahile Umayeni, as ahile, because it's a lot for her, and may the intruder's soul rest in peace. Yes, angabe ebekaganga, but no one deserves to die, especially that way. And may Umpumelelo also get justice, because it was only self-defense. Hey guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.